with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of any new videos I do, which are probably about 2 or 3 a week. So let's get right onto this one, and today's money making video is how to make money reviewing movies online. You can actually watch films and get paid. So if you love watching movies, enjoy writing and have an opinion, because we all have an opinion, then why not get paid as a movie critique? You can make money online simply by watching movies and then providing a few hundred words review. We all have an opinion about every movie we watch. When people come out the cinemas, they're all discussing the movie. Some people like it, some people hate it, some people loved it, and that's what all opinions are about. And these companies are always looking for new blood, somebody fresh to the industry, new writers that are not scared to be critical and say it exactly as it is. Now, this work is not going to make you rich overnight, but you should be able to secure maybe a few $100s a month doing something you enjoy. So let's look at the first one. I'll list all these in the description below, so you can always click on them there. The first one is Animation Arena, and you can see here, get paid to write video game, comic books and movie reviews. And they want a 550 word review, and they will pay $15. And the maximum you can do in a month is 10 reviews. So it's still good money you can make, maybe $200 or $300, just for doing something that you enjoy. Now, some of these will not actually tell you what they actually pay. This one's called A Taste of Cinema, and basically it says that they're always looking for new writers. So you just basically look for the contact here, which is David Attic, and you put your age, and just make sure you provide all the details when you first make contact. Give them all the information that they need. The next one is called Screenrant, and this is another one which doesn't actually tell you exactly what they pay. A lot of this will depend on, some of them pay on how many actual views you get to your review. They'll pay you on that, and some will just pay you a flat fee depending on your experience. That's why some of them will ask for links to some of your articles in the past. As you can see here, 3 pieces links to, please include up to 3 links to pieces you have published. So I mean, that's all you need to do basically for that is just watch a recent movie and do some sample reviews and upload them to maybe a free WordPress site, and then you can put the link to those reviews in here so they can see examples of your work. The next one is Cineaste. I hope I've said that right, Cineaste. And let's see what so you can see here, film reviews. Their basically review is a lot longer, which is 1,500 to 2,000 words for feature reviews. Let's have a look down here. Payment. $18 they pay for short tape reviews, $36 for book or DVD reviews, and they pay up to $90 for feature articles or feature interviews, and that will probably be the 1,500 word option. Featured articles there, 3,000 to 4,000 words, which will take you quite a few hours to do that, but obviously they're paying up to $90 for that. Next one is Cultured Vultures, and you see here, get paid to write about movies. So they're always looking for new writers, just different angles, fresh to the market. Here's the contact details here. This is another one that doesn't actually say how much they pay, but it's best just to introduce yourself and give them examples of your work. Next one is Film Quarterly. There's another website which will pay you for your reviews, and looks like they pay $50 once it's actually published. I mean, this is like, people do this obviously full time. Professionals, a professional film critic, as you can see here, they earn about $62,000 a year. Professional film critics, and they've obviously started right at the very bottom. But it's all about building up your reputation and getting as much work online as you can. You just do free stuff, watch as many movies as you can, and write a critique in your own words, just exactly how you see it. Don't try to make people happy, to please people. It's just your opinion. So you normally generally get around $15 for a review. Like I say, some companies will not quote the rewards until you make any contact at all. So that's basically the easiest way to do it, is to get started. Do some sample reviews yourself, upload them to a free website, WordPress, and then you can just show these companies of your work. Now, the other option with this is Upwork.com, and you can see people here who's actually listed themselves as film critics, and you can see how much they charge. $50 an hour, $50, $20, $40, but they're all getting work. 25 jobs they've had, 192 this chap's had, and it's all about building a reputation, isn't it? Building up a database of successful clients, get you 5 stars. There's 158 jobs this Anita's had, and she charges $22 an hour. I mean, she will probably do the review in that time, unless they wanted a longer review. But if you're looking at 200 to 300 words, you can do that in 1 hour quite easily. And she charges $22, and she's been very busy. And here's another one, $60. She's done 216 jobs, $85 an hour. Susan S, and she's had 286 jobs at $85 an hour. So there is money. Being a film critic, without a doubt. So obviously, when you start out on here, if you did want to put your work on Upwork, just do not charge too much when you're first starting out, and build up your clients. Try and get your 5 stars according to price and the quality of work that you produce. So that's it for today. Just a very quick one. You can make money being a film critic, watching movies, completing a review, normally 200 to 300 words, and then you get paid at least $15. So this is something you can make probably $200 or $300 a month doing. So if you enjoy watching movies and you enjoy writing and you have an opinion, and we all have an opinion, so why not get paid for doing just that? Well, that's it for today. Please, as ever, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for new videos that I'll be doing, making money online. If you're interested in making $1,000 commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, which is basically what I've been doing, affiliate marketing for over 20 years now, and I've done a free course for high-ticket affiliate marketing where you promote high-ticket affiliate offers, and so you can receive over $1,000 commissions plus. So this is basically what I do most of my time, high-ticket affiliate marketing. So I've done a free course, 100% free. You'll find this link in the description below. You're very welcome to join me. It's about 90 minutes long, split into 4 videos. So you can just go through that, and any questions you can let me know, Mark Anthony. But you're very welcome to join us if you want to make serious money online with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Anyway, that is it for today. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.